Hey everyone, it's Steven with the Starboard Group of Properties. I'm here in beautiful Country Club Estates at 249 Jensen Drive, Fontana. This recently remodeled home is just walking distance from Fontana Beach. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and let's go take a look. This home features amazing elements like hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings, tons of natural light, and a first floor owner suite. The recently updated kitchen includes beautiful cabinetry, a sandstone farmhouse sink, large pantry, and a breakfast nook surrounded by windows. And the spacious great room presents a gorgeous wood-burning fireplace, skylights, access to a private back deck, and has plenty of room for a large dining room set. Upstairs you'll find a stunning loft space and 2 large, well-lit bedrooms accompanied by a full bathroom. Alright everyone, thanks for taking the tour with me. If you'd like more information on this listing, please visit StevenWwarner.com, and I'll see you next time.